Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing a small unboxing and review of this wireless QC25 Bose adapter. So standardly with the kind of Bose headphones you get a cable, and my cable unfortunately sort of stopped working. But I thought actually probably a good time because I use this mainly on my laptop. And I tend to have the habit, and I usually when I'm using my laptop, trying to walk away with the headphones connected. So it's not good. I'm sure one day my laptop's going to drop on the floor. So I had a bit of a research on Amazon and checked out and found this little adapter that I'll leave a link below if you're interested in getting this. But this was I think just under £30, and it's very simple. The box kind of says it's got HD sound, built-in volume control, long battery life. So yeah, specifically for these headphones, it won't fit any other Bose headphone. And inside is basically, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but 1 second, bear me 2 seconds. Let me just pop the camera down. Okay, so inside the box you get a very basic user manual, and it just shows you a little bit about the fact that it's got a microphone, it's got a USB charging spot, got volume up and down, and a power on and a pause. So again, it's very straightforward, and it shows you how to pair it via Bluetooth, and I just pair this with my laptop currently, and then the charging method. So you get a very small charging cable with this, just a little micro USB to standard USB, and then this is what the device looks like, and it's very well designed. See, it's got a gold connector, it's very form-fitting to the headphone, and what I like about it is that when you connect this to the headphone, it doesn't look like it's separate to the headphone, if that makes sense. It looks like it's actually part of the Bose unit, and it's not an add-on. So it has got a microphone spot on this, and these are the kind of little buttons that are slightly rubberized. And how this works, if I show you this on the side of my headphones, so you can see the kind of current headphone jack, and if I grab this and then just stick that onto the side and push it up, and that connects in, and that's it. And you can see now it just looks like it's part of the headphone. Very well designed, and it works really well. So all you do is, once you've charged it up, if you hold this button down, I'm going to put it quite close so you can hear. You'll hear it's the speaker. I'm not sure if you heard that, but it said powering on. So it says in your ears powering on, and then obviously you can adjust the volume, and the blue light's flashing now. So all I do is on my laptop, I go to Bluetooth devices and connect this, and it pairs. And then if I'm going to leave the microphone quite close to this. If I'm pressing enough, what I'm going to do is press and hold this down. Now you might have heard that, you might have not, but it says powering off. So it says powering on, powered off, and it also says paired as well. So it has these little voice commands in your ears so you can hear. And the sound quality is absolutely spot on with this, it's perfect. I haven't had any issues. Once you've charged this up, it lasts around 6 hours, and I haven't had this run out on me yet, so I've been using this for a couple of weeks now. And I just make sure that I switch it off once I finish using it, and the battery has managed to maintain its battery power. It works very well. I've had no problems whatsoever. So if you're after something for your QC25s to give it that wireless capability, and you want it to match the actual headphone, which I think these do really well, certainly check this out in the link below. And if you've got any questions or comments, put them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Cheers.